Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today, our Group A, will present about our project. The topic our project is metal casting with sand mold method, or as known as sand casting. So, let me introduce myself and my group member. So, my name is Muhammad Raditya Dwi Putra from Manufacture Engineering Technology, State University of Malang, offering B. So this is my name of group member. Okay. So my part is to explain about definition, function, and benefit of sand casting. Okay. Sand casting definition. Sand casting is one of the most common metal casting technique utilized in large industry. So many industries using this technique. This technique is the most commonly used metal casting method in large and small industries. So all the industries, small or large industries, is using this technique to make their product. When casting metal, sand is usually used as a molding material. Sand must usually be malleable due to the bond between particles. So we should make sure the sand used can malleable due to the bond between particles. Sand casting function. Produce the product as desired. Of course, when we make some product, we want the result is good or as we desire. With this method, we got a mold that will produce what as we want or as we desire. Okay, next benefit of sand casting. First, mass production. Okay, with this technique we have, of course, in industries they will have many of these mold. This mold, and when we put the sand, then we have a product that we will to print into the mold. Like with this technique, we can make a lot of product at the same time. Okay. Second is able to produce thin or complex shapes. With this technique, when we put product into the mold, it will make a complex shapes like this. Okay, and third, reduce the need for surface finishing, because with this technique the result will as the product we put into the mold, and we don't need many surface for finishing. Okay, next, for maintaining the accuracy of the product produced. So with this technique we can maintain the accuracy of the product that we produced. Next, 5, ability to recycle. The sand we use in this technique, we can use it again for the next production process.
First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramadhan Jasa Putra, and I am from group sand casting method. Okay, next we have a table of content for contents in a topic, definition, simple working process, and complex working process. Okay, next we have a sand casting or sand mold casting is a traditional yet significant manufacturing process using sand-based mold. This method is highly valued and create the shape, low production cost. It remains across industry for creating parts like gears, engine blocks, and valves. This next, simply process sand casting. Number one, we get a mold preparation with a sand for a V selection. And two, molten pouring metal in versus aluminium like 600 derajat Celsius. And next process, metal is a cooling solidification. And last, extraction and finishing to clean to remove residual sand and oxidized layers. I will about I will explain in detail about complex sand casting process. The next page we have a complex process. One, prepare a tool. This tool like pattern, chalk powder or dust, sand coating, basic sand, sprue, sand composer, sand sieve, and mold. And two, we prepare sand for selection. We made a part like sand is a green sand, water glass, or sodium silicate, and pasir fluorescent. And three, we make a pattern making for the mold. In the mold, like assembly, when hose allow gas and air to escape during pouring. And four, pouring liquid metal in a mold sand casting. Five, after cooling and extraction metal, we got a finishing. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih? Okay, after cooling and extraction part in the mold sand casting, we can finishing to part. And last, we inspection of the workpiece to a standard we make the mold. Okay, thank you for attention and see you next time.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sajen Iqbal from the Manufacturing Technology of Study Program, State University of Negeri Malang. Here I will explain about metal casting, especially its advantage and disadvantage. Okay, here I will explain three things, namely the first introduction, then the discussion, and then closing. Okay, next, introduction background. Metal casting is a part of the work of manufacturing that was carried out around 9,000 and has had a major influence on industrial progress, including in the automotive sector, infrastructure development, and race factories. This is influenced by the fact that metal casting can save time with fast work and relatively cheaper costs when compared to work using machine tools. Then formulation of the problem. Number 1, what is meant by metal sand casting? 2, how is the metal sand casting process? And 3, what are the advantages of metal casting? Next, introduction objective. Number 1, understand and know the meaning of metal casting. 2, know the process of casting metal with sand. And 3, know the advantage of metal casting. Okay, discussion meaning of metal casting. Metal casting is the process of pouring molten metal into an empty mold to create a new component. The metal will then cool and harden according to the shape of the mold into which the metal is poured. Okay. Advantage of metal casting. Sand casting is most widely used in casting production because this method is the most ancient method with as many advantages such as: number 1, can print metals with high melting points such as steel, nickel, and titanium. 2, can produce gas object with dimension from small to large on long, such and casting for making ship, propellers, and railroad tracks. And 3, can produce a lot with a lot of molds. And next, weakness of metal casting. Sand casting is most widely used in casting production because this method is the most ancient method, but else has several disadvantages such as: number 1, handmade process. Labor to monitor and control the entire casting process while cause unstable quality. 2, low strength. Sand casting is the pouring of liquid material behind. Without pressure, the insect becomes loose and porosity defects easily caught. And 3, low dimensional aquary. Because this process uses sand cores to make the parts, it causes the surface of the casting part to become rough and the dimensions are not precise. Conclusion: metal casting is a manufacturing process that uses molten metal and mold to produce shapes the proximity the final geometric shape of the finished product. The liquid metal will be poured on press into a mold that has a mold cavity according to the desired shape or design.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Let me introduce myself. I'm Yusra Yasserabadi from Mechanical Manufacturing Technology from Offering Bay. In this place, I will be explain about maintenance and casting. How to maintenance sand casting from weekly, daily, monthly, until years. Wow. Okay, first I'm explain about maintenance and casting, ensuring consistent quality. Definition: sand casting is a crucial manufacturing process that requires meticulous maintenance to consistent produce high quality metal components, proper mold preparation, tool upkeep and proactive troubleshooting are essential for ensuring reliability and efficient sensing operation. Next slide. No. In this. Importance of mold maintenance. Number 1, dimensional accuracy.
Proper mold maintenance ensures that the casting component meet precise dimensional specification, reducing waste and rework. And 2. Surface quality. What is surface quality? Well maintenance mold produce casting with smooth, defect-free surface and sensing the overall appearance and functionality. And the third, productivity. Productivity, consistent mold performance, maximus production yield, and minimum downtime, improving overall efficiency. And the fourth, cost savings. Proactive mold maintenance products the need for costly repairs and replacement, leading to significant long-term cost saving. About this. Yes. Next. Number 1, daily maintenance of metal casting. Daily. Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, daily. Number 1, mold inspection. Visually inspects mold for any cracks, deformities of wear and tear that could compromise casting quality. That's. And number 2, surface cleaning. Surface cleaning is thoroughly clean mold surface to remove any debris or raw forage particle that could impede the casting process. And the third, tool sharpening. Ensures all cutting and shaping tools used for mold preparation and properly sharpened and maintained. And fourth, lubrication. What is lubrication? Apply appropriate lubricants to moving parts of the casting equipment to minimize wear and tear. Next slide. Next slide is weekly maintenance of metal casting tools. Weekly is the 3 points. Number 1, mold resurfacing. Carefully resurface mold cavities to restore their original dimension, accuracy, and surface finish. Number 2, equipment inspection. Conduct a thorough inspection of all casting equipment, including pouring mechanism, cooling system, and material handling device. Third, preventive maintenance. Perform SCUDA maintenance tests, such as replacing worn components and lubrication moving parts to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Next slide. Okay, next slide. Monthly maintenance of casting of metal. Monthly, January, March, May. 3 points in this PPT. Number 1, mold refurbishment, and 2, equipment calibration, and 3, process evaluation. It describes your search but yourself. Okay. Last PPT. Annual maintenance of metal casting. Annual metal casting in the years. Machinery overhaul. December and Turkey inspect casting machining, replacing worn parts and upgrading component. We must to upgrade component in the machine of in tools in years in annual maintenance. That's it. Number 2, process document. The process document shows document the entire casting process, including any change or improvement made during the annual maintenance. And 3, preventive maintenance. Implement preventive maintenance plan to ensure the long-term reliability and efficiency of the casting. Thank you for your attention. I have word in day. Do something today, your future self will. Thanks you for attention. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.